If you want to change the camera brightness on your iPhone 17, the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, so here's the process. First of all, just open the camera app, then tap on anywhere on the screen to focus. Now after you do that, a small sun icon will appear on the screen. Now to increase or decrease the screen brightness, just swipe the sun icon to the top side and you will increase the brightness of your photos. And if you want to decrease the brightness of your photos, just swipe the sun icon to the bottom. And also you have another method to change the camera brightness. For that, just tap on the 6 dots over here. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of exposure. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the exposure or the camera brightness using the slider. And you can also reset the camera brightness settings by tapping on the reset icon over here. And this is how you can change the camera brightness on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.